Hello everyone, hello, hi, how you doing? Am I audible? Okay. Please give me a minute. I will be ready everything. So please give me 1 or 2 minutes, please. Okay, so can you hear me, guys? If you can hear me, the sound is good. Please give me thumbs up on the chat, or you can drop one on the chat. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning to all of you. Okay, so first of all, this is DXY dollar index. I'll explain my view on DXY. So particularly for this week, my interest is over here. This one, this low, and this gap over here. You can see this gap. This is volume gap, and this low. This is my best case for this week, but it yesterday it reached this level, so I'm done trading with forex pair for this week actually. But now is December, so most probably I will not trade further until first week of January for this year. But for now I will look on gold and Nasdaq. So this liquidity is taken out yesterday, fill this volume gap, and Now DXY is reacting from this level. It's a huge rejection yesterday, and in 4 hour I can see some kind of change of character over here, but this is a very key level, because in 4 hour time frame you can see here this is a fair value gap, plus in daily time frame this is a volume gap again. So this was for 11 of December on Thursday last week. We can see this gap, and so as long as it is respected this gap and 4 hour fair value gap, I hope it will go further down. But if DXY wants to go up, as of my experience, as of my knowledge, it really need to break upside, like minimum in 4 hour time frame. It really need to break upside to form a candle above this gap. So let's see what in next 2 to 3 days we can see. But actually I'm done trading with this year. And here is a small trade. This is on gold. Like for gold I'm bullish for today as well. This is a trade I'm taking. This is I'm holding from last 1 hour. I'm holding this trade on gold. This is one of my funded account. I'm risking 0.5% on this trade because nowadays I don't want to risk much because of this market condition, but let's see. As you can see, this is a trade on gold, this one. Let's see. Today we don't have any major news, so I hope this is my target, and this is in 15-minute time frame. In higher time frame as well, like 4 hour time frame I'm bullish on gold. Daily time frame I'm bullish on gold. So these are the equal highs, so I'm targeting this high actually in 4 hour time frame. And in daily time frame this is all-time high, so I hope gold is making another all-time high. It may not be today, but this week or next week. Hi, Gita Yenkokpam. Hi. Do you use Rice Pay or direct crypto transfer to your Trust wallet? I use both, brother. Sometimes I use Rice, like I withdraw my funded account payout, uh, sometimes in Rice, and sometimes directly in my crypto wallet. 2026 की करम बता था कि market नुंगार का तो in coming 2026 like after the real liquidity will come, I hope, after Valentine's in February, after 14th of February. There will be the nice time for first quarter. But before that, market will run. But I don't think so that kind of liquidity will come to the market. Like normally in past years, after second week of February, that is the real move of the first quarter. Which one is best? It's depend on you, brother. It's depend on you. Just research yourself, and I just use bot, but you can do research for yourself. Don't go for like someone is saying this and that. Even me, do research for yourself, and you will find out. Okay, let's see. I'm risking around 0.5% on my funded account. Let's see how it works. I'm aiming to get at least 1:2 for this trade. But now is a very tricky time. Like I don't know what will happen to the market. Sometimes it get very volatile without any news. And when there is a news, it will be like in a very consolidation phase. So uh, it's like December, January month, no? You know. And where are you from, guys? Please comment on the chat. From which city are you watching this live? If I take profit on this trade or if I lose on this trade, I will be done for today. And this week is the last week I'm actually trading for this year. So after this week, I will analyze my chart. I will look for the chart, but I will not take any new position on the market. Okay, it's looking good. For this one, this is a very key level over here. It's a very key level, so this is in one of my funded, so I would like to take some profit over here. Let's see. I'm taking some profit. You can see I'm booking some profit, and I'm booking around 40%. Rest 60% I'm holding. Actually, I don't take any profit before it hits my TP, but for this kind of market condition, I don't want to hold much, especially in my live account or in my funded account, master account. I'm taking around 40%. And guys, it's my simple request, please share this live to your WhatsApp status or in your socials, or anybody, those who are interested in trading, please share this live and click the like button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that if I'm going any live anytime, I will be live anytime, so you didn't miss out in my next live. So in this live, not only I'm trading live trading, if I got my setup, obviously I will do live trading, but I would like to explain how the mindset works, how the psychology works as a trader. And like most of you, or like in my initial stage, you know like the direction of the market, and sometimes you are very confusing, like you have to take this trade or not, and there is kind of a fear. So, and suddenly the market moves to your direction and you miss out that trade, and again you are getting FOMO to that particular trade again, and you will enter the trade and ending up losing. So it happens to most of the trader in their initial state. So that is not issue with your technical analysis. So everything depends on your decision making and your mindset about trading. As a trader, you need to develop a particular mindset, like proper planning with proper execution. So that is the real way. I hope it can get some retracement from this level. If it gets some retracement, that is totally fine, but I need to see to respect this level. If it gets some retracement, it's totally fine, but if it needs to take some support from this level. And how many of you guys, like, you think that you are stuck in a level? So like, you know liquidity, you know about the market phase, market structure, you know the direction of the market, but you are not profitable yet. Like something is stopping you, or somewhere you don't know where you are doing wrong, but you are like stucking in somewhere else. So if you are that kind of person or that kind of trader, let me know on the chat. Good evening, a very good evening. What is consistency rule in prop firm? Okay, so consistency rule is very simple, but let's say for example, consistency rule, there will be a percentage like 30%, 35%, 40%, whatever it is. So I will give you a simple example. So in consistency rule, there will be two types, like when you are making profit for your withdrawal, or when you are aiming some kind of a profit, like to pass that phase. It may be phase 1 or phase 2, or the particular amount. So let's say you are you want to withdraw $1,000 from that particular prop firm or particular funded account. So for $1,000 you are making in one trade. So in one trade you are making $1,000. So that is 100%. In one trade you are making $1,000. So that is 100%. But if the consistency rule is 50%, you have to make the $1,000 in two trades. Like it will be 50-50%. Okay, so in one trade you have to make maximum $500 per trade, so that the consistency rule will be 50%. If the consistency rule is 30%, then, and if you want to withdraw $1,000, then what is the 30% of $1,000? It will be around $300. So your maximum profit per trade will be not more than $300. Can you get my point? Let's see. Good evening, bro. Crypto exchange commission for withdraw the bank account. I don't want to recommend any exchange, especially if you are from India. But I would like to recommend you can use DEX. DEX means decentralized exchange, like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet. Those are some examples. So exchange will be Binance, Bybit. There are so many exchanges, but if you are using exchange and if you are doing KYC, then if you want to pay tax, go for it. Just pay the proper tax and you can use very easily. And if you don't pay any tax for your crypto or for your crypto portfolio, I don't want to recommend any exchange that is available in India. Let's see, it might get some retracement from here. 8:30 will be now is 8:27 New York time, but after 8:30 I'm expecting some kind of volatility in the market. Let's see. For Euro USD, I got a very nice move last week. After that, I didn't get any good setup for me, but overall I'm bullish on EU, but I didn't get any good setup for me actually. But let's see, it can get some more retracement from this level, but if DXY is respecting this 4-hour fair value gap plus daily time frame volume gap, this is a volume gap, so it can retrace from here, or if it goes up and close above this gap, I'm expecting at least it will come to this daily time frame fair value gap or this order block. This is USD JPY. What is your bias, guys? Are you bullish on gold or bearish right now? Let me know in the chat. Come on. And anyone, can you suggest me some background music? I would love to play a very nice background music for this live. You can suggest me, and but because of YouTube live, there will be lots of strike coming to me, so I just want copyright free music. And anybody is trading on futures, NQES, gold futures, euro futures, anybody is trading on futures, if you want to see more live trading only in future, let me know on the chat. So according to you, if you want to see future trading, live future trading on the market, we will start ASAP, as soon as possible. Nice, everyone is bullish. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, it was pushing up 830 right now. Nice one. Actually, I already booked around 40%, so it's going up very nicely. So right now I will be break even. My stop loss will be in break even, as you can see. I will do this in break even, so this will be a risk free for me, and I already booked 40%, so I'm already in a break even right now. Sorry guys, sorry. Again, I'm booking more profit. Like first time I'm booking around 40% profit. Just now I'm booking again 20% more, and my stop loss is in break even. As you can see, my stop loss is in break even. So I just want to see how many pips I'm getting right now. Around, it's already 186 pips, so it's well and good. So in this kind of market condition, I don't want to hold much longer, so I will book all the position right now. This one I will close, this one, done. Okay, I'm done. That's it. If it goes up or goes down, then I just want to say one thing more. Like, if you are in profit in London session, or before the early New York session, you are done for the day, bro. Why you are coming again to the market and risk your profit again? If you are profit in your first trade, done. If you are losing in your first trade, the best scenario will be stop trading for the day, or you can try just one more time for your second trade. And if you lose again on that second trade, done for the day. Just don't trade again. And the second trade will be, if you are losing in first trade, your second trade will be the 50% risk of that first trade. For example, if you are risking 1% of your amount, or of your account size, then in your second trade, just risk only 0.5%. Don't increase your risk percentage. The best way will be, if you are losing the trade, reduce your risk again. Don't increase it. I do trade futures. Nice one. Future trading live is also coming, guys. Are you excited? Future trading in Nasdaq, future trading in ES, NQ is coming very soon on this channel. Are you guys excited? EU. And let me know, guys, what kind of strategy do you follow for your trading? Like, there are so many strategies in the market, or you can learn from the market, from someone, or from YouTube, or from your mentor. What kind of strategy are you following, or what is your strategy? Like smart money concept, ICT, support and resistance, using indicator, using software, AI trading. There are lots of different types of strategies or concepts over there. So in which kind of particular strategy are you using? Good evening, good evening. SMC, ICT, and what about you think, like what is the difference between them? Like it may be SMC or ICT or support resistance, supply and demand zone, or like using Fibonacci, price action, using indicator or software, or trading with AI, or you are using any bot. Anybody anybody on the chat right now, you are trading with bot or AI trading? Let me know. It's going to my TP. A V1433, in my opinion, it's all the same. It's just that the name are changed. Yes, exactly. Any kind of strategy will work if you really work on. It may be like, for example, ICT and SMC is, it will be, if you use ICT concept or SMC, you will be more profitable, or your support and resistance doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. Everything is very similar, and everything is somehow almost the same. So it's kind of different names on the market. So supply and demand is same with order block. That is a different name, and another name is like institution candle or institution area. That is same with order block. So people are changing the name again and again, so that they are feeling like, oh, this kind of strategy, this is my strategy. So they want to take that name with them. So everything is same. If you are using any kind of strategy, go for it. Don't change from strategy to strategy. Just go for it. If you are using only liquidity, also you can be profitable if you are using with proper risk management and good mindset and good planning. And you need some experience with the market. Okay, you need some experience. For example, I'll give you TPs on the way. Nice. Are you enjoying my life, guys? I just want to talk something like a real talk with trading. Live trading doesn't help you. Yes, you can master your eye, or you can train your eye, but if you are looking someone doing live trading, you can learn from it, and just don't try to copy that, but you can learn from it, like how this guy is positioning himself, like why I'm buying this candle over here, why I'm long, what is the reason behind for this trade, and what is my bias. So that is one of the most important if you are looking live trading. So it doesn't mean like you will copy from that live trading or something like that. It will not help you in a long way. Just try to understand why this guy is buying this market or shorting that market. Understand the reason behind. Nice. Nice one. And this is on silver. Silver is, I don't think silver will be going up much from this level because it was already moving a very big position on Asian session. This is Asian session, so I don't think so it will go further. It may be in consolidation or it will come for some retracement. So if silver is in retracement, at least gold will follow them. Okay, so for if somebody is playing game and if they win that game, the viewers will type GG on the chat. But for our trader, what will we type on the chat? I'm hitting the target. It will be same with gamers like GG or something else. Let me know. You can type something on the chat, come on, for hitting this TP. I'm doing this live. All the position I took, this kind of management, I'm done in live. You can watch later. Okay, it may be TP or W. Okay, so W on the chat. TP or W on the chat. Come on, guys. 40 of you are watching live right now. Let me see. And I will teach you. My live trading is done for today. Okay, my live trading is done. I will not trade furthermore. But I will love to explain the psychology behind, the mindset behind, the planning behind this trade. So if you are really interested in that, because technical is nothing, guys. You can learn technical within 4 to 5 months, A to Z. Technical is very easy. Someone in 4th standard, 5th standard can learn technical very, very easily. But that is not the main thing about trading. Technical is easy, but you have to master the psychology as a trader, the mindset as a trader, the plannings before your trade, the journaling. You have to train your eyes each and every day for several months, not in months, for several years, without any single results. So I would love to say one thing. Yesterday also I mentioned in my live, yesterday and day before yesterday, Monday, and I was live on Trading TV channel with some of the big names in this industry. So I would love to say one word. Please note down and please write it on the chat again. Okay, so please note it. Do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. Please type on the chat. Do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. Please type on the chat. And you can note down for yourself on your notebook. Do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. That is the real mantra if you want to become a profitable trader. Try to understand that word deeply. Can you get my point? Only one guy, brother Avi. Thank you so much. Really appreciate for that word. You are repeating on the chat again. Thank you so much. Everybody is watching. They are not willing to do that. So that is the difference. A simple example. That is the difference between successful and unsuccessful person. Because let's say, for example, if you want to play football and if you want to be a footballer in future, a very famous footballer, you want to join in a very good club like Barcelona or Real Madrid in future, you want to learn football. So let's say currently the best teacher will be, it may be Messi or Ronaldo, the best teacher currently if you want to learn from someone. So let's say they are the best player in the world right now. This both of them, Messi and Ronaldo. Anybody you can choose by yourself in your own opinion, even though you are learning from Ronaldo or Messi. But let's say Messi is your mentor or Ronaldo is your mentor. They are teaching you the exact way, the exact step by step, the exact psychology behind all the technicals, all this and that, the step by step blueprint of their success. If you are learning from them also, let's say they have around 1,000 students. From that 1,000 students, I don't think so all the 1,000 students will become a great footballer in the future. Only some of them, like 2 to 3%, maximum 5% will be successful in future. Even though if they are learning from the best player in the world. So that is the difference, like it's happening in each and every industry. It may be in trading, music, football, cricket, anything, sports, anything. The success percentage will be very low. So try to understand that. If you are learning from the best mentor, it doesn't mean you will be profitable. So it depends on you. What's your mindset, what's your goal, what's your ambition, the burning desire inside you, and the willingness to learn, willingness to accept change. Everything is very important. Really grateful. Thank you so much. Do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. Please try to understand very deeply. Write down again and again. Try to think deeply with this word. That is a real mantra. In any field, in any industry, if you want to become successful. Not only in trading. Do the right things long enough consistently without expecting any results. Really deep. I was trying to digest it deeply. Yes, brother. Try to digest it. And just take a print out, paste in your wall, and try to understand each and every day. Try to look that word each and every day. So simply it means like I'm trading from 2019, before COVID. And I'm profitable after 4.5 years. After 4.5 years. So that 4.5 years, I'm trying each and every day. I'm trying everything what I can do. Like I'm reading the books, journaling myself. I'm trying my best. I didn't sleep that much. I quit my job. And I try my best. I backtest every day, and within 24 hours, I'm spending my time in front of my laptop, in front of my computer, around 14 to 17 hours in a day, practicing with the market, learning from someone, listening to podcasts with traders. I'm grinding each and every day, but I'm trying my best, but I'm losing my account each and every day, losing every trade, losing streak. Sometimes I do in profit, but it was really hard. But the only thing I came here is because of this word. That is a word that is given by one of my best mentor. He is not my trading mentor, he is my psychology mentor. I will let you know in future, but this is a word he said to me, like, if you want to successful in life, I will give you a sentence, try to digest this one. He gave me on that day, and he's saying like, do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. Like, what the fuck? But in some months, or in after some days, few days, I realized like, okay, this is the real one. Messi or Ronaldo? What do you guys think? Yes, both of them are very great player. Nobody can compare both of them, and I'm very blessed and very grateful that I'm living like I can watch they are playing together in life. But particularly for me, I will go with Ronaldo, because like I'm very inspired by him. Like, I just want to study the mindset of this guy, Ronaldo. He is 41 years old, and some days back, in some weeks back, he's scoring the goal with bicycle kick. Bro, that kind of grinding in 41 years old. So I just want to deep inside his mindset, what is going on in your mindset, the discipline he have, the desire, the willingness, that burning desire. I really wanted the discipline for him. Like, so for me, so EU is not going in my direction right now, but I'm not interested in forex pair currently, because there is no volatility in the market. Suddenly it will move, and it will be in a very long consolidation again. So for now I'm not interested. But the last time I trade on forex pair is on last week Thursday. I took this trade. It was a very nice trade, a very perfect trade for me. But for now, I hope it will be, if you are forcing me, like, you have to trade now, you have to take a trade on Euro USD. If you say like that, then I will be looking for sell in lower time frame, like something like this. If you are forcing me, I will look for sell. So I will explain the goal setup for me. In weekly time frame, it's in bullish in weekly time frame for gold, but before that it is about to get to this all-time high again with this very nice liquidity over here, equal highs, and it is about to get all-time high. And in silver as well, for silver in weekly time frame, it is already break this all-time high. It is already break this all-time high, but in gold it doesn't make that kind of all-time high. So I'm expecting at least gold will make another all-time high. That is my expectation. Plus, in higher time frame, market is very bullish right now. That is the second point. The third point is, in last week, Federal Reserve, they have cut the interest rate, so I'm expecting commodities will be somehow bullish. That is the third point. And in daily time frame, after this retracement, I can see higher highs and higher lows. This is the market structure, and we are about to get to this all-time high, and from this higher high we can see this higher low. Again it will go for push-up. That is my bias. My bias is obviously bullish for that, for this reason. And again in 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is also in bullish, higher high, higher low, and then it was going above this 4-hour fair value gap. You can see this 4-hour fair value gap. It is this candle is closing above this 4-hour fair value gap, and it will came for the retracement to where, to this order block, these two down candle. Okay, again in 1-hour time frame, in 1-hour time frame I can see this high is breaking with this leg up. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this higher low is within this 1-hour fair value gap, this one. Okay, it was respecting this fair value gap, plus this 3 candle is an order block. It was respecting very nicely, and a very small consolidation over here. And in 15-minute time frame, I can see in London session it was taken now this low once more as a manipulation, and again it was in consolidation. So I'm expecting at least it will get to this level or this high. That's why I'm taking the trade, as simple as that. So according to the market structure, I'm risking only 0.5%. So everything is all about direction. If you know the direction, and after you know the direction, look for the market phase. Market phase will be expansion phase or in retracement phase. Now we are in expansion phase. So the market structure is bullish and we are in expansion phase. Obviously, I would love to buy on that kind of asset. And then the third point will be timing. Timing is very important. Not only price, time is also very important. So I'm getting this trade after just start the New York kill zone. So in New York time frame, 5 to 7 New York time will be the lunch hour, and from 7 to 10 is the kill zone. So I'm entering on this time frame, and my stop loss is this low, and I'm targeting this high. Crazy move, crazy. It is around 200 pips, and from my entry level it is moving around 290 pips on gold. Stop loss around 100 pips. 100 pips stop loss. You can see it's around 100 pips. So pips doesn't matter, bro. The really matter is that how like how many percentage are you risking on that particular trade, and what is your risk to reward. That is the only thing it matters. Pips doesn't matter. It may be very big or very small, it doesn't matter. Really matter is that how much are you risking, like how many percentage are you risking on that particular trade, and what is your risk to reward. That is the only thing I'm looking for. Bro, are you still in funded firm? Yes, brother. So this is a for EU, this is a level. I can see this is a gap, this one. If it respect, then I think it will go further more downside. If if it break this level, then I'm hoping it will go further more, but let's see. And I just want to know, you guys, if you want to learn trading, or if you really interested in this field, first of all, don't try to make money or don't focus on making money. First of all, your duty is research everything what you can in YouTube, or you are watching this live, very good for you, really appreciate. And read some books, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself means you can join a class, or you can join a community, or just find a good mentor and try to learn from him or her. So at least 1 to 2 years, invest in learning, invest in your knowledge. And as a beginner, don't try with real money, try with demo account, try with paper trading, try with demo account. That is 100% my suggestion, my advice. If you are really beginner, don't go with real money or funded account. First of all, at least 4 to 6 months, try in demo account. So 1 hour candle closing is very good right now for gold, so it can target these highs. So I hope it will come for some kind of retracement, and from this level it will go further more to take out this highest liquidity, this equal highest liquidity. So let's see. Uh, Bro, if Genie gives one opportunity, what do you wish for? It was really good questions, bro. For now, I wish my mom is still with me. That will be my wish for now. I miss her. And anything, guys, chat. I will ask you on the chat again. Anybody watching right now, if Genie gives you one opportunity, what do you wish for? Just type on the chat. Let me know. It can come for some retracement and it can goes up again for gold. That is my I'm done trading, but that is what I'm looking right now. So just see, you can learn from me as well. Like, I'm already done trading, but I'm just looking with the chart. This is called the real eye training. You have to train your eyes each and every day to improve your subconscious mind. A long, prosperous life of good health and wisdom. Nice. And of course, knowledge. Many of you are watching live right now and you don't have any wish. Very bad for you. At least you need to wish for. At least one thing. What will you wish for? Bro, which strategy do you use? I use, it's kind of a mixture, I guess, because I know ICT, I know SMC, but mostly I would say smart money concept. 90% of my strategy is smart money concept. But I will tell you one thing. Like the confusion between SMC and ICT. Okay, ICT is not a concept. ICT is the person, that is Inner Circle Trader. You can find his channel on the YouTube. Inner Circle Trader, his name is, I think it's a Michael. So I really like inspired by him as well. But ICT is a person, it's a channel's name, so it's not a strategy, but what ICT is trading with is the smart money concept. And it's, I'm not 100% sure, but in my opinion, this liquidity stuff, smart money concept, is really famous by ICT. He started really talking about smart money concept around 7 to 8 years before on YouTube. So Don't confuse about SMC and ICT. ICT is a name of a channel, that is Inner Circle Trader. The person, I think his channel is very famous today. It's almost 2 million subscribers right now. But he's using smart money concept. Okay, so see the difference. I just want to wake up every day with having a purposeful routine and go to the bed with a peaceful mind, living life fully grateful for every moment. Nice, brother Johan. Nice answer. Nice wish. I wish you can, and you can do it if you really work hard, and like if you know your goal, end goal, if you know where you're going, if you believe in yourself 100%, everything can be possible. Like literally everything can be possible. Whenever I wish for something, anytime, any place, whatsoever, I will be fulfilled. Nice one. Oh, it's a nice correction coming on. Let's see, it's 9:15 on the market, so 9:30 will be New York stock opening. We can see some kind of volatility in the market. But bro, I think I found a cheat code for that question because I've been really thinking about it all the time. Nice. What is the cheat code? Okay, this is done. For Nasdaq, I think we can see this high to take a now, but let's see. I'm expecting either it will fall from here, or it will shoot up once again to this level, taken now this highs, and it will go further down. This is my expectation for today for Nasdaq. Nice one, brother Ravi. Nice one, bro. Did you think it will be good idea for me while I have on business? Just I can spend 2 hours daily to learn. What's your comment, brother Robin? If you are in business, that is good. So if you want to learn trading or if you want to become profitable trader, at least you need some side income or your own income, like to maintain your expenses. So that if you get 2 hours, that is more than enough, I think so. But try to get at least minimum 3 hours. I guess you can adjust. If you can adjust, try to get 3 hours. But 2 hours is good for you. So you can go for it, but try to utilize that 2 hours in learning process. Each and every day. Like I already said before, do the right things long enough, consistently, without expecting any results. So at least for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, try to utilize that 2 hours daily, each and every day. Invest that time in learning, in experience. Try to gain the experience. So that is good for you. But if you getting more time, it will be more good for you. But in I think some days you will get more time, so you can study more in that time. So if you want this industry or if you want to do trading for money, I don't think you are coming in the right way, because it is not easy. Trading is not easy, guys, and it is not rich quick scheme. So you need to have a right mindset, and at least you need 2 to 3 years, I think, average, if you really try your best. But please don't take for granted. If you're taking for granted, like, okay, at least it will take 2 to 3 years, then you are how to say, not trying it in every day. If you're not trying really hard, it can take 10 years, 15 years, and you will not be profitable yet. But if you really try your best, if you actually try your best, in an average it can take 2 to 3 years. So really good for that. Really appreciate. Please try your best. Don't waste any time. Try to utilize that time in learning process, and find a good mentor. With your guidance and support, my grind will be more insane this time. Yes. Bro, what's your goal for 2026? My goal for 2026, in financial state, it's different, but my goal for 2026 will be healthy, more healthy, and like how to say, for 2026 I want to experience more the beauty of life, healthier from now, like some kind of muscular type, and I wish I will be more healthier, and like and financially, I would say the achievable will be for 2026, like obviously I want to earn 100 million in 2026, but that is not relatable, right? So the achievable amount will be, let's say, 10K per month, $10K per month, consistently. Reasonable. That is a reasonable number. And overall, at the end of 2026, from trading, from my business overall, I just want to make more than $100,000 in 2026, and I know I will be, and that is my chief aim, and that is very reasonable according to me, according to my brain. Bro, how to find my trading edge in your opinion, and which asset do you trade most? Suggest pair for forex. How to find my trading edge in your opinion? And okay, if you want to find your trading edge, open a demo account, learn everything what you can learn from the internet, from YouTube or someone else, and try to develop an edge with time. So you cannot develop your edge in a month or in 2 months, 3 months. You need around at least a year to develop your own edge. So try different types as a beginner and try to know what is working with you and what is not working with you. Journal yourself, and it will come automatically, your edge. And for suggestion, find a good mentor, follow him or her, find a very good mentor, because I will explain very honestly, in this field, in trading, especially in trading, 99% we are seeing on the internet is kind of very bullshit. Like, it's a fake. 99% of them are fake. I know all of them in YouTube, in Instagram. So it's really hard to find a good mentor, a right mentor in this field. So first of all, please find a very good mentor for yourself that you desire and you want to learn from him or her. Just find that person and try to learn from him, develop your edge, gain your knowledge, gain your experience with the market, try to develop your psychology and mindset, be a disciplined trader. If you want to be a disciplined trader, you have to be disciplined in your own personal life. This will be the hack. So everybody knows, like, if you want to become a profitable trader, we must to be a disciplined trader. Everybody knows, but nobody is disciplined right now. Everybody is losing money in long term. Why? Because they doesn't give a fuck with their daily routine, with their personal life. So first of all, if you want to be a disciplined trader, you have to be a discipline in your personal life. So that is the simple hack. On it, bro. Yes, I deserve. Even I deserve more than that. But 100K is good for me for 2026. And anybody, those who didn't join my free Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Join the Telegram channel. I will update you more about my coming live stream, the ideas, the bias of the week, bias of the day. I will explain you. Sometimes I will do a free session with you. I will share everything, my each and every update. And there is something very interesting is coming up in 2026. If you are joining this Telegram channel, that is completely free of cost, I will be conducting a challenge, a trading challenge for each and every one you can join, and I will give you a reward for that. So the link is in the description. Join it now. You can learn more from this channel. USD CHF, USD. USD CHF This is daily time frame, bro. Look here, this is daily time frame. So I'm not interested in this kind of pair right now. It's in a very big consolidation. So if it wants to continue more consolidation, I hope it will go further more to this daily time frame fair value gap, or at least to this volume gap, this little volume gap. But what about in 4 hour? I have no idea, bro. In 4 hour also it is very in a consolidation phase. So nothing. I didn't see anything in USD CHF. Thanks, brother, for nice advice. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh for business purpose. I'm staying in South Africa. From my side, I'm only person who is support whole family. I did everything nice, brother Robin. I wish you a very bright future, and do and try in your best level. Don't skip a day. Believe in yourself, and the word I mentioned before, do the right things long enough consistently without expecting any results in any field, and believe in yourself. Go for higher one, grind yourself. So that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate for watching this live, and only one request from my side, please share this video with your friends in your socials. Bro Mahesh have his own YouTube channel, not yet from for now, but Mahesh will be live in this channel on my channel, but not for forex market, for future market. Mahesh will be live trading future market after I finish forex trading. So each and every day there will be 2 live on this channel coming soon. The first one will be live trading with me in CFD or Forex. After me, Mahesh will be live on this channel with future trading in NQ and ES after me. So stay tuned for that. We are coming very soon. So if anybody doesn't know about Mahesh is one of my partner, and he is the founder of Trade House. I'm his partner. I am the co-founder of Trade House community. So we will be live together in this channel, so stay tuned for that. We will be live both forex market and futures market. Everything is happening for you guys. Like right now you're watching 30 of you. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this live, and you are also learning something. I'm showing you the real stuff with full transparency, and really appreciate, guys. I don't know how to explain my feelings for that, but really appreciate, and do more support. This is just a beginning, and my subscriber is right now around 21k. 2026 I know I will get to 50,000 subscribers. Can you help me with that, guys? Can I reach 50,000 subscribers in 2026? So as I say, after this it can go for some retracement. It can go to this level. So it was pushing very nicely, respecting this level. This is also midnight opening of this week, Monday midnight opening. This is the level, and this is the lower area of higher time frame gap. If I want something, how to get fast, take action. Not tomorrow, not from New Year, not from Monday, not from next month. Now, take action. Execute. Take action. That is the fastest way. Take action. Don't focus on the result. Take action. Don't focus on the result. You might fail, but you are a little bit more experienced from before. Don't forget this one. If you give away life more, you will get. Yes. Please write down. You can write down on your notebook or in anywhere else. Today is 17th of December. 17th of December 2026. My YouTube channel, this A Manipuri Guy, will have more than 50,000 subscribers. Just write it. A Manipuri Guy, this my YouTube channel, will get more than 50,000 subscribers in next December 2026, 17th of December. That's it. So what I have to do now, I already say to the universe, my part will be I have to take action each and every day to get there. So I'm not expecting the results, or I'm not focusing on that result, but I have to take action to get there each and every day, consistently, for long enough, without expecting any results. That is the real game, guys. Result will become automatically if you really go with the path, and if you know the science of this universe, the law of universe. So it is very easy to get whatever you want or whatever you desire. Okay, so you are asking me Messi or Ronaldo. What about you guys? Anybody watching right now? Messi or Ronaldo? Come on. Or let's say ICT or Raza Bank for traders. ICT or Raza Bank. Let me know in the chat. Two of them, they are big names in this industry. So first of all, I will love to know Messi or Ronaldo. Second one will be ICT or Raza Bank. Let me know in the chat. Messi, Sui, CR7. Bro Hiramani, nice. Anybody who doesn't know about THC, THC means Trade House Community. That is a community run by me and my partner Mahesh. I am the co-founder of Trade House Community, and my partner Mahesh is the founder of Trade House Community. So very soon you will hear this name in this industry, very soon, in top level. So really hoping for that, really looking forward in that. Grateful brother, grateful CR7, and let me know. And um, in this for this industry, there are two banks. I know two banks. One is Q Bank and one is Raja Bank. So which bank you are choosing? One is Q Bank and one is Raja Bank. So as I mentioned before, this is my expectation. Overall, I'm bearish right now for Nasdaq, but let's see. Either it will go for this high again, and tap to this daily fair value gap, and it will go further, or it will be going down from this level, little bit retracement, and go further down to take out these liquidities. So that is my bias for Nasdaq, but I will not trade today on Nasdaq today, but let's see. CR7 Swiss Q Bank bro how's it forex broker ka manin nungai forex broker though I don't want to mention on the live for some reason, but if you really want to know it, you can go to my channel, my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I will mention there after this live, or you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Hiramani Maibam, HERAMANIMAIBAM. You can text me or you DM me on Instagram. I will send you. For some reason, I don't want to mention right now on the live. Interested, okay. Yes, I'm using a broker for my live account because I'm trading with both live account and funded account, because my end goal is not going with funded account. In coming 5 to 10 years, I will build up my live account and I will fully go with my live account, because funded account is not permanent. It is for temporary. It's a good way to start with to leverage your amount, but in long term I don't think so funded account is for long term, especially for me. It's my opinion, but for long term I would love to go with my own live trading account. So choosing a right live trading broker, it's also one of the most important in this journey. So I would love to share that. So I already trade more than 4 to 5 years with this broker right now. So I don't want to mention here because I don't want to promote anything else right now. So if you want to know that, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, completely free of cost. I will mention there, or you can DM me on my Instagram. It is really good for Indians as well. You can deposit and withdraw from UPI, from crypto, instantly within 1 minute. It's looking amazing. It's dropping really hard. Nice one. You can study as a backtest. Okay, so in 5 minutes, in higher time frame, in 4 hour, 1 hour daily time frame, my bias is bearish. So mostly I am looking for short if I'm trading right now. So it break the market structure, came back for retracement, where it came to this level. This is 5-minute order block. These 3 candles, this is 5-minute order block. It tapped to this 5-minute order block with this fair value gap. It respect this fair value gap as well, and tap to this order block, and again in 5 minutes it break the market structure, because this is the first market structure you are getting in 5 minutes, this swing low. Okay, so after breaking this market structure low, again retracement where to this 5-minute fair value gap, and it goes down. So if you are entering on this level or this level, easily you can target this low or this 5-minute fair value gap high. So that is one of my strategy if I'm trading in lower time frame. Exactly what I mentioned before. This is the key level for Nasdaq, NQ. Let's see for gold. Gold is also looking nice. It was a very good setup for today. I'm done trading with this one. After this high, I'm expecting for some retracement. It does so, and now it pushes up again. So my target will be this highs, this all highs, this highs for gold. So if I can do some scalping, so this is a good level. I'm not trading, but this is for example. This will be if I'm doing scalping in 1 minute. This will be my setup. Looking for somewhere here. I'm not trading this one for sake of example. I'm sharing with you. I would love to play one background music, so please give me a minute. It came down to this level. This is 1 minute time frame. Bro, P2P transfer Binance safe hoy bro I crypto deposit withdraw tawge khale. I don't use Binance from long time. I'm not using Binance, so it's not advice, but I suggest, or personally for me, I'm not using Binance. So this is 1 minute fair value gap. If it respect, then this is good one. Let me know on the chat, guys. I'm not taking any trade on this one. This is for an example. If I took trade, I will took like this, but I'm done with this one. It was a really good move when at the beginning of this live session. So this is for an example. Let's see how it works. Do you think, guys, this will hit TP or not? Let me know in the chat. I this hello in a bro. It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. Do follow your own plan. So 10 o'clock New York time will be in 3 minutes. So I hope it will get some volatility in the market. Let's see how it works. I'm expecting it will go further high, but let's see. This move is really hard, bro. Nice one. Okay, stop it, stop it. Can I see Nasdaq, please? You can see the Nasdaq. Here it is. I'm bearish on Nasdaq, but let's see. But I will not trade anymore for today. I'm done. I think after this push up, if it respect to this level, then it will go further more down. If it respect this level, then it will, I hope it will go further more down to this liquidity downside. It's in a small consolidation, so 10 o'clock will be in 1 minute. So I'm expecting some little bit of volatility, so it can spike up or spike down for 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see. if it goes up, from this consolidation, it will fly very soon. Or same with downside. So this is a consolidation. I'm guessing if it goes up, it will be very fast. Same with downside. So let's see. You can see. So this is exactly I'm waiting for. So if you are trading in lower time frame like 1 minute, please be very careful with your risks, and don't risk like more than 0.5% or 1% maximum in your, if you are trading in lower time frame. So and if I were taking position on this trade, I would love to take some parcels on these highs. On these highs, I will love to take some parcels like 40%, 50% profit booking. In this condition, I think it may reverse from here, or it can take some liquidity downside further and came back again for this equal highs. It can reverse from here, or it can come back more further down, take some liquidity downside, and again came for this equal high. That will be my plan. As you can see, this is a 1 minute fair value gap. So this one, it's still respecting this fair value gap. So you have to be, if you are analyzing with any kind of fair value gap, so this is exactly what you are looking for. This could be applied in any time frame, in any asset. I think now it's time to get these highs. 1 minute closing in 13 seconds. So either it will go for this candle, or in next candle I'm hoping for these highs to taken out. Okay, so it is, this 1 minute candle is closing above this inversion fair value gap, so it looks very bullish for me. I hope it can take within 1 or 2 candle, it can take these highs, but let's see. It's very nice right now, and if I'm taking on this trade, then I will book some profit with these highs. So let's see. Again, closing above this inversion fair value gap, retracing to the equilibrium of this fair value gap, and this one is a bullish order block. I'm expecting it will go from here to here. Let's see. it's a real price action without any indicator. So we need some patience, some experience, and your edge in the market, and you need some experience. That's it, guys. I would love to check some bigger time frame. 15 minutes. 15 minute is looking good. So just 1 minute from like new 15-minute candle is opening, so it can retrace a little bit more and goes up in 15 minutes. So in 1 minute it will be like it can go further down and goes up. Let's see, or it goes first to this level. See the reaction of the price, how it was respecting this inversion fair value gap about here again, and closing above this inversion fair value gap with body of the candle, and retrace to this order block plus equilibrium of this fair value gap, the 50%. So that is really the price action. Okay, it's going up right now, expecting these highs to taken out. How much I'm live right now? I think it's almost 2 hours. Yeah, I'm live almost 2.5 hours, guys. Still respecting this 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Let's see for this candle to close. Let's wait for this candle to close. This is in 1 minute, but as I said before, the 15-minute candle is opening. So opening, it can go down further, and if it respect this level, it will goes up again and take out now this high. In 5 minute closing will be in 1 minute. So if it close like this, I think it will go for some consolidation, or it can take some liquidity downside and it will come back again. See the price. There is no news event, nothing else. Suddenly it moves very fast. So that's why I'm not trading after this trade. And within this time, we have to be very careful, especially in gold, Nasdaq, this high volatility market. That's why I'm not taking any trade further more than this one. This was a good setup. So let's see how it works. You can study this kind of analysis. So lots of live will be coming up. Futures live trading will be coming up as soon as possible within a week or some days. Future live trading is coming up on this channel, and this is for CFD and Forex market. So obviously I will do for this, and for future market my partner Mahesh will do for future live trading on this channel. It will come up very soon. So let's see, and please support this channel. We will go a long way. Is coming up. And till now, if you are not joining my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Join it now. It is completely free of cost. I will give you the inside of the market update from me, any challenges update, any news update, or any kind of daily outlook, daily bias outlook, weekly bias outlook. I will share there everything. So see you there. Join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And I think the last word for this one will be, I said before, it can go down and take some liquidity again, and it can move again to this liquidity, this all liquidity. So you can study. This is on gold 1 minute time frame. So see you tomorrow. I will be doing live each and every day except market holidays and this coming holidays. So see you tomorrow. If I am not live here, I will be live on Trading TV channel. So make sure you subscribe there also, because yesterday and day after yesterday, a day before yesterday, I was live on that channel with some of my friends with big names in the industry like Camel and all. So see you there, and see you in my next live. Good night everyone, good morning, everything from wherever you are looking or joining this live. See you in my next live. Bye bye.